Hey guys, welcome back to Recipe Magic. Easter is right around the corner. It's one of the most fun holidays when it comes to food, especially Easter desserts are so cute and adorable, right? I just love baking these Easter nest cupcakes for this season because they are super fun. So let's get started. First of all, combine some all-purpose flour with baking powder, pour in some milk, some melted butter, granulated sugar, and also crack in one egg all into it, and then combine all of it together until you have a creamy cake batter ready. Now if you're using a cake mix, you can skip all of these ingredients and just add the cake mix along with some milk or water. Now once your cake batter is ready, transfer it into your lined and greased muffin tin, and then just preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius and bake these cupcakes for about 15 to 20 minutes until the skewer inserted in the center comes out clean with some few moist crumbs. Meanwhile, we are going to make some chocolate frosting. This is nothing but dark chocolate along with some heavy cream beaten together until you have stiff peaks formed. And next I'm gonna pipe the cupcakes. Here I'm adding green frosting to mimic the grass, and for that green frosting I have just taken some heavy cream with some green food color, and look how pretty they look, right? Next I'm gonna make the chocolate nest, and for that I'm using my dark chocolate frosting here. I'll just give 2 quick swirls of it using a piped nozzle, and then I'll hide some Cadbury eggs into it. Isn't it looking so pretty, right? Every kid on the block would love to indulge this one. It's so easy to make as well, perfect for the Easter season, and one of my go-to Easter dessert recipes which I love to make every year. Hope you enjoyed watching this recipe with me. If you have any questions or doubts, you can post them in the comment section below. You can find the full recipe and all the alterations also in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel for more such easy recipes and have a great Easter everyone.